Just had my lunch and now I'm over here at the Fear vending machines. I finally found them. Um, they were tucked away a little bit, but once I began to approach, it was pretty obvious what they were. Yeah, this is like a famous little vending machine spot. So let's go and take a closer look at what they've got. So we've got this chip star, potato chips, and canister. Looks like they've got some kind of a bug toy. I don't know what this is. Hote. I don't know what that is in the cans. And it looks like they've got vegetables in a can up there. And a little toy car. Okay. Let's see. Looks like they have cowpeas. So they've got drinks. They've got toy trains. Some chip star, and they've got some spaghetti in a can. I wonder if it comes to you warm, but I'm not gonna try to find out because I don't think that I could eat that. It looks like it probably has meat in it. They've got this popcorn machine, which I might just try. But first I'm gonna look around and see everything that's here. This one looks like it's just your standard drinks, like coffee and tea, juice, some soda and water. So it's just, this one's just pretty standard. We'll go in here. So there's stuff in packages that I can't read, so to me it's really mysterious what's in there. But I can see they have chips, they have cake in a can, lots of biscuits. Go back into the corner here. Pull the trash down on the ground. I cannot tell what's in here at all. I'm trying to get a look. It's like there's a can of vegetables, but pretty much empty except there's some bills down here at the bottom. More bills on the other side. Some soda and bugs. They're not real, obviously. They are just toys. And trains and can't tell what that is. Maybe they're chocolates. Some people over here taking photographs, so I'm not going to get in the way. Just give them a chance to finish that up. I have no idea what's in this one. It's just these boxes, and obviously I cannot read them. So to me, it's a mystery. People are taking photos by the vending machines. You can get cigarettes here. Oh no, condoms. They're condoms. It's like, I don't think they're cigarettes. They look kind of like cigarette boxes, but they are condoms. I think there are cigarette vending machines, but for those you have to use a form of ID. But also I haven't seen any of those over here. So I know there are. I have seen some cigarette vending machines, but not over here in the Fear vending machine area or alley, I guess you'd call it. And these are just more drinks. And so then you've got, looks like there's canned cherries. There are some baseballs. Yeah, there are baseballs. These look like pop cans. I mean, I don't mean pop as in soda. I mean like you pop the lid off and there's food inside. I'm not sure what's in that. One of them's Kohino. Panda? Panda coffee? Sutoro Berry. Berry no Panda. I don't know what that is. More of the same. Sweet Halloween something. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's noodles. I don't know. Sumiko Ro. I can't read what it says. Something sweet. Could be candy then. Oh, Sweet Halloween. But that was just their transliteration, I guess. Then they've got more bells here. And some more bugs. Just more of the same. So I think it's just the same person who owns all of these machines. Oh, and there's balls. They're quite expensive though. For balls. Now, I don't know what that is down there. It looks like some kind of rock candy. I really want to know what's in the mystery boxes. Do you think I should get a mystery box? I'm worried that the mystery box will have some kind of meat in it. Some of these look like they might be DVDs, but I can't tell. Like it says DVD on the outside, but I don't know if that's what's actually inside of it. I should just pick one. But I also want something to drink. Oh, there's some more tucked away back here. Here we go. Some more bug and baseballs, and I don't know what that is. It's rock candy, but oh, is it salt? Himalaya rock salt? That's unexpected, but many things up here are unexpected. Let's see. And they have another popcorn machine over here. They give you, it looks like they give you multiple choices, but you can't use this one. This says butter, bata, bata. So your two choices are, the three choices are butter, bata, bata, bata. But you can't choose the third one. You can only choose one of these two. And I don't know what that says. Subete. Subete bata. Subete bata popcorn desu. Curiouser and curiouser. So I'm gonna get one of these mystery boxes. I guess honestly I could just choose at random. Okay. Alright, you have to be brave. It's the fear vending machine, so you have to be brave. So I'm gonna put my money in. Are you gonna take my money? Take my money! Okay. What if I... Is it not gonna take my money? No? Okay, what if I try a different machine? I couldn't figure that one out because I'm very dumb. I'm a dumb baby. Okay, let's try this. So I'm gonna put the money in. Oh? Put the money in. Okay, now it took the money. Okay, I'm gonna do number 5. And enter. Okay. Bringing the tray up. It's gonna grab my prize. There it is. And here's my change down at the bottom. Let's collect the change. I'll just put that in my pocket and get the prize. Okay. Don't know what this is. You know, the outside makes it look like it might be a DVD, but I'm not sure. And I saw that there was a sign on the other side over here that said that he doesn't want you to open the boxes over here because there's like a lot of trash that people leave behind, and he's really pissed off about it. So I'm not going to open it up over here. I kind of want to get the condoms, but what do I need condoms for? I don't know. I don't use them. I don't have a reason to use them. It would just be silly for me to buy them. But I'm kind of tempted to get the popcorn. Just because I can. Should I do it? Should I get the popcorn? I think maybe I should do it. I should be brave. You have to be brave here. That's the whole theme of the place, is that you have to be brave. Okay. All right, so it's Senkakuen. All right, I'm gonna do the popcorn. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna be brave. Be brave. You gotta be brave. Does it work? All right. Here we go. Is it gonna work? I don't know if it worked. Oh no, it rejected it. It gave me my yen back. But there was another one back here. I wonder if this one actually works back here. This one that's way back here. Okay. So, San Yakuen. Put it in there, see if it works. All right, your choices are butter or butter. Here we go. Is it gonna work? Just keep pressing until something happens. I might be too stupid to make it work. There's so much trash in here. People are really disrespectful over here. I've never seen so much trash in one place in this town. I wish I could one more time. Is it gonna work? But I'm not sure if I'm finding house. Alright. Well, I guess I'm saving San Yakuen. But I should see about what is inside of this package now. Because I did buy a package. A mystery package. So I need to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so now I just need to find a place where I can stop and open it up. There was a sign over in the Fear vending machine alley that said that he doesn't want you to open your packages over there because people leave litter over there, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to try to be respectful. Let's cross the street. See if I can find a place to open this. Something's in there. Something's in there. Let's see what it is. Okay. I think I'll just stand here by the edge of this bridge. I'm going to open it up. Okay. So I got this package over in the Fear vending machines. I'm going to open it up. See what's inside. I have no idea what's in here. I just kind of bought it at random because I can't tell. I don't even know if the words that are on the package tell you what's inside of it, because I can't read. I don't know how to read. Oh, what is this? Well, I was going to be surprised no matter what it was. It looks like it's biscuits. Is it biscuits? Animal-shaped biscuits. Yeah. Yeah, see, so what he has on the side is definitely not indicative of what's in there, because if you look at what's written on the packaging, it says something about like DVD, blah, blah, blah. Like here, DVD, Night Paradise, you know. So it's like intentionally misleading, I guess. But it's just animal-shaped biscuits. It tells you like what they are. So there's like a bat and a bear. I think it's like teaching you how to read, or it's teaching me because I'm a dumbass. Bat, kuomori, bear, kuma, camel, rakuda, cat, neko, cow, meuji, meushi, deer, cheetah, dog, inu, duck, ahiru, eagle is washi, elephant is zolu. Anyway, it's just like a box of animal crackers from the Fear vending machine. I assume I probably can't eat them. I just keep looking at the side because it has these, it looks like instructions, or there's like an idea that you could put the animals in a pan, and then you can put like a pancake batter on top. And then you can like bake the biscuits into the pancakes, apparently. There's no way these are vegan, but I'm gonna try them just because I paid for them. And what else am I gonna do with them, really? Gonna, ruin my veganism on mystery vending machine cookies. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I feel like I'm doing an unboxing video. And it's got this little animal. You could make do a cutout or whatever. You can see that. I'm gonna eat them. But before I do, I want to use, after touching those vending machines, I don't want to just dip my hand into the bag of cookies and eat them. I'm going to use some antibacterial lotion. All right. And for those of you who don't know, I'm in Akihabara right now. I'm on the outskirts of Akihabara. I just crossed a little bridge, well, it's not just walking, there's cars, but anyway. There's a bridge, there's a canal running through here, which you can see. You can see a train. Train is, I guess, probably going to Tokyo Station. Okay, so now that I've used some antibacterial gel after touching those like filthy fucking vending machines in that vending machine alley, it was very dirty and grimy over there. I'm gonna try this. These cookies. So here's a cow. It's pretty good. It's not very sweet. No, it's not very sweet at all. This bat is broken. No, porcupine. Yeah, they're not bad. They're not bad. I don't think it was worth don't think it was worth the money. How much did I spend? 590 yen? 90 yen? 590 yen? Yeah, it was too much. 590. It was too much. Also, sorry if I missed your chats, but yeah. Hey, Jomicide and Moni. Butter. Yeah, it seems like it should have just been like butter popcorn, but they might have been out of popcorn. I couldn't make the machine work. But I did get some food. Ultimately, that's probably what matters. I'm not even hungry, really. I guess it makes sense that what would be in the mystery boxes would be food, since most of what was in the vending machines was food. But then there was random shit like bells and toy trains. So, there was a chance it could be something else. But I mean, I'm very full, so I didn't really need to have biscuits. But it was cute. It was fun to do that.